Welcome to Basic Pharma by Shahla. Today we are going to discuss Shift 1 question paper of GPAT-2023. The first subject is pharmaceutics. And the first question is, which of the following term is used to describe the partial or complete separation of the top or body crowns of a tablet from the main body of the tablet? A. Lamination, B. Capping, C. Picking, and D. Mottling. The correct answer is B. Capping. Second question, the law of relative lowering of vapor pressure was given by A. Raoult, B. Oswald, C. Henry, and D. Van Hoff. Correct answer is Raoult. Then 3. Dipole-dipole weak interactions are also called as A. London forces, B. Debye interactions, C. Electrovalent forces, D. Keeson forces. The correct answer is Debye interactions. Fourth, invert sugar is a product obtained by the hydrolysis of A. maltose, B. sucrose, C. lactose, D. dextran. Correct answer is sucrose. Fifth, the time taken at a fixed temperature or the radiation dose required to achieve a 90% reduction in viable bacterial cells is called A. F value, B. Z value, C. D value, and T value. Correct answer is C. D value. Sixth question. In pharmacokinetic models, the term compartment means A. blood, B. individual organ, C. extracellular fluid, hypothetical pool of tissue. The correct answer is D. hypothetical pool of tissue. Seventh question. The most efficient heat exchange between the particles and flowing air occurs in the A. tray dryer, B. vacuum dryer, C. fluidized bed dryer, and D. rotary dryer. The correct answer is D. rotary dryer. Eighth question. The Drug Price Control Order DPCO is an order issued by the government under the enables it to fix the prices of some essential bulk and their formulations, which A. Essential Commodities Act, B. Essential Commodities Amendment, and C. Essential Commodities Accessories, and D. Ethical Commodities Act. The correct answer is Essential Commodities Act. Ninth question. According to IP and BP, very fine powder is one in which A. all particles pass through the 120 mesh sieves, B. 90% particles pass through the 350 mesh sieves, C. all particles pass through the 350 mesh sieves, and D. 90% particles are of size less than 10 meter. The correct answer is all particles pass through the 120 mesh sieves. Then 10th question. Which of the following pharmaceutical solvent has the highest dielectric constant at 25 degrees Celsius? A. glycerin, B. ethanol, C. acetone, D. phenol. The correct answer is glycerin. 11th question. Korsnik-Kármán equation is used to determine the A. surface area of the powder, B. viscosity of a liquid, C. surface tension of a liquid, D. density of a liquid. The correct answer is surface area of a powder. 12th question. Which of the following emulsifiers has the highest HLB value? A. span 80, B. acacia, C. twin 18, D. sodium lauryl sulfate SLS. The correct answer is sodium lauryl sulfate. 13th question. Which of the following substances are not used as humectants in emulsions? A. propylene glycol, B. sorbitol, C. tocopherol, D. glycerol. Correct answer is tocopherol. 14th question. Under which of the following conditions in vitro in vivo correlation for a drug fails? A. when the drug is highly soluble, B. when the drug's absorption takes place by a complex process, C. when the dissolution medium is adequately simulated, D. when the drug is highly permeable but poorly soluble. Correct answer is D. when the drug is highly permeable but poorly soluble. 15th question. A crystalline powder that contains water of crystallization or hydration. This water can be liberated either during manipulations or an exposure to a low humidity environment. Then the powder will become sticky and pasty, or it may even liquefy. Such a powder is called A. eutectic, B. hygroscopic, C. deliquescent, D. Efflorescent. The correct answer is hygroscopic. 16th question. The formula to calculate liquid pressure is A. P is equal to mgh, P is equal to wgh, C P is equal to pgh, D P is equal to fgh. The correct answer is P is equal to pgh. 17th question. Out of the following solvents, which one is not a polar solvent? A. Ethanol, B. Methanol, C. Hexane, D. Water. Correct answer hexane. 18th question. Which of the following molecular properties can be determined by thermogravimetric analysis? A. Solubility, B. Hygroscopicity, C. Color stability, D. Hydrolysis. Correct answer is hygroscopicity. 19th question. Which of the following levels of IV-IVC means in vitro in vivo correlation is represented by the relationship between one's dissolution time point, example T is 50%, and one mean pharmacokinetic parameters such as AUC, Tmax or Cmax. Option A level A, B level B, C level C and D level D. Correct answer is level C. 20th question. Which of the following USB glass type is not suitable for parental packaging? A. Type 1, B. Type 2, C. Type 3 and D. Type 4. Correct answer is D. Type 4. 21. The difference in velocity between two planes of liquid separated or infinitesimal distance is called A. Rate of shear, B. Rate of flow, C. Rate of force, D. Shearing stress. A. Rate of shear is the correct answer. 22. The required amount of adjacent substance required to make a hypertonic solution isotonic is given by the where W is equal to adjacent substance. A. Freezing point depression of adjacent solution and B. Freezing point depression of water. First one, A. W is equal to A minus 0.52 by B. B. W is equal to 0.52 minus A by B. C. W is equal to 0.52 minus B by A. D. W is equal to B minus 0.52 by A. The correct answer is the option B. W is equal to 0.52 minus A by B. 23rd question. Clear, sweetened hydroalcoholic solution intended for oral use, usually flavored to enhance their palatability, are called A. Aromatic waters, B. Elixirs, C. Syrups and tinctures. The correct answer is B. Elixirs. 24. Which of the following climatic zones as per WHO criteria refers to hot and humid climate? A. Zone 1, B. Zone 2, C. Zone 3 and D. Zone 4. Correct answer is D. Zone 4. 25th question. Which of the following is the common chemical name for propellant 11? A. Trichloromonofluoromethane, B. Dichloro-difluoromethane, C. Dichloro-tetrafluoroethane, D. Chloropentafluoroethane. The correct answer is trichloromonofluoromethane. Then 26th question. A component of film coating solution to make a filling more pliable, enhance spread over tablets, beads and granules is called A. Adsorbent, B. Humectant, stiffening agent and plasticizers. The correct answer is D. Plasticizers. 27th question. Match the following list 1 with list 2 with respect to most specific activity or property in formulation of disperse system. List 1 formulation ingredients. List 2 activity or property. I just marked the 2 correct answers with a line in this column. First one, salts of D-glucuronic acid, polypeptides and amino acid. The corresponding list 2 activity or property answer is Q. Form a multimolecular film around the dispersed droplets of oil in an O by W type emulsion. Second one, surfactants both ionic and non-ionic. The correct answer is T. Have been used to bring about the flocculation of suspended particles. Third, magnesium aluminum silicate. The corresponding answer is S. Emulsifier belong to the class of salt particles and form O by W type emulsion. Then fourth one, structured vehicle is option P. Are pseudoplastic and plastic in nature. 28th question. What is the percentage of alcohol in a mixture obtained by mixing 5 liter of 25% and 3 liter of 40% and 2 liter of 15% of alcohol in water? Option A 27.5% V, B 30.5% V, C 25.5% V, and D 26.5% V by V. V by V means volume by volume. The percentage of alcohol in a mixture calculating equation is percentage alcoholic strength in a mixture is equal to 5 into 25% plus 3 liter of alcohol in 40% plus 2 liter in 50% alcohol by 5 plus 3 plus 2 liters total liters is equal to 27.5% volume by volume. The correct answer is option A 27.5% volume by volume. 29th question. For distinguishing the astringent and metallic taste of iron salts in children's mixture, the following flavoring agent is used. A. Orange syrup and compound orange syrup. B. Lemon syrup. C. Licorice liquid extract. And D. Aromatic water. The correct answer is option A. Orange syrup and compound orange syrup. 30th question. A tablet excipient whose function is to ensure that the tablet formulation and ejection can occur with low friction between the solid and the dye wall is called option B. Lubricant. 31st question. Clathrates crystallize in the form of option A. Channel type structure, B. tetragonal type structure, C. cubic type lattice, and D. cage-like lattice. D. Cage-like lattice is the correct answer. 32. Which of the following ointment base is an absorption base? A. Yellow ointment USP, B. Hydrophilic petrolatum USP, C. Hydrophilic ointment USP, D. PEG ointment NF. The correct answer is hydrophilic petrolatum USP. 33. Which of the following surfactants is an anionic surfactant? A. Lecithin, B. Sorbitan esters, benzoylconium chloride, and D. soaps. Correct answer is soap. 34. Which of the following formulations are pharmaceutically equivalent? And match list 1 with list 2. List 1 ingredient and list 2 function, then corresponding tablet dose. First one, P. acetaminophen ingredient, function drug, tablet 300 mg dose. Then R. lactose, 3 filler and tablet dose 100 mg. This is the correct matching answers that are pharmaceutically equivalent. 35. What is the approximate amount of powder in mg that can be filled in empty gelatin capsule of size 00? Option A 1040 mg, B 650 mg, C 325 mg, D 162 mg. The correct option is 650 mg. 36. The interfacial forces are related to the contact angle by A. Nelson equation, B. Stokes equation, C. Young's equation, and D. Laplace equation. The correct answer is Young's equation. Then 37. In the Langmuir isotherm, following statements are true except one. A. The layer of the gas adsorbed on the salt adsorbent is molecular thick. B. Adsorbed layer is uniform all over adsorbent. C. No dissolution takes place when gas strikes salt surface. D. No interaction between the adjacent adsorbed molecules take place. The correct answer is C. No dissolution takes place when gas strikes salt surface. 38th question. In absence of instructions by the prescriber, unless otherwise directed, the dose given for the mixture preparation should be stated on the label as A. 1.5 ml spoonful to be taken 3 times a day in water. B. 2.5 ml spoonful to be taken 3 times a day in water. C. 2.5 ml spoonful to be taken 2 times a day in water. D. 1.5 ml spoonful to be taken 2 times a day in water. The correct option is B. 2.5 ml spoonful to be taken 3 times a day in water. 39 question. Suspensions containing a high percentage, about 50% or greater, or small deflocculated particles would show which of the following flow properties? A. Plastic flow, B. Dilaton flow, C. Newtonian law, D. Pseudoplastic flow. C. Newtonian flow is the correct answer. 40th question. Drugs covered under this schedule are not permitted for repacking license. Identify the correct schedule. A. Schedule H, B. Schedule G, C. Schedule O, D. Schedule C, and C1. The correct option is D, Schedule C and C1. 41. Requirements of factory premises for the manufacture of cosmetics are mentioned in the Drugs and Cosmetic Rules 1945 under A. Schedule M, B. Schedule M1, C. Schedule M2 and D. Schedule M3. Correct is C. Schedule M2. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 is schedule and list 2 cover the which section. First one, Schedule Y. The correct answer is Q. Recommends for clinical trials. Then 2, Schedule FF. The correct answer is as ophthalmic ointments. Then 3, Schedule O. Disinfectant liquids. 4, Schedule P. Shelf life of drugs. Next subject is pharmaceutical chemistry. 43rd question. Choose the correct and the major product formed in the given reaction from the choices listed below. This is the reaction. Major products are formed is listed in the given options. Option A 2 pentene, B 2 methyl 2 butene, C 1 pentene and D 1 methyl 2 butene. The correct answer is B 2 methyl 2 butene. 44. The following are the processes occurring during flame atomization in atomic absorption spectrometry. B. Volatilization, Q. Ionization, R. Nebulization, S. Dissolution and T. Dissociation. Arrange the process in sequential order and choose the correct answer from below. The correct answer is D. RSPTQ. R is for nebulization, then S. Dissolution, second one, then P. Volatilization, third order, then T. Dissociation is the fourth one and Q. Ionization is the last one. This is the process in sequential order. 45. A mixture of para-anisaldehyde and formaldehyde in the presence of concentrated sodium hydroxide. A. Para-methoxy-sodium benzoate, B. Sodium para-methoxybenzene, C. P-methoxybenzyl alcohol, D. P-methoxybenzoyl alcohol. The correct option is P-methoxybenzyl alcohol. 46. Which of the following compound is a precursor for the biosynthesis of cholesterol? A. Progesterone, B. Lansoprazole, C. Cholic acid and D. Caprostenol. The correct option is lansoprazole. Cholesterol is the precursor of our steroid hormones and the other cholesterol precursor is acetyl-CoA. 47. Which one among the following drug has the IUPAC name alpha 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 tetramethyl 1 hydrogen 1,2,4 triazole 1-aryl methyl 1,3 benzene diacetonitrate? A. Letrozole, B. anastrozole, C. exemestane and D. aminoglutamide. The correct option B. anastrozole. 48. The reaction between naphthalene and chromium trioxide in the presence of glacial acetic acid yields A. Naphthalene 1,4-dione, B. 4-hydroxynaphthalene 1,4-hydrogen 1 and C. Naphthalene 1,2-dione, D. 1-hydroxynaphthalene 1,2-1-hydrogen 1. The correct answer is A. Naphthalene 1,4-dione. 49. Platinum electrode surrounded by an outer tube in which hydrogen passes entering through side inlet and escaping at the bottom through the dust solution is called A. Silver electrode, B. Calomel electrode, C. Standard hydrogen electrode, D. Indicator electrode. The correct option is C. Standard hydrogen electrode. 50th question. Which of the following gives correct rank order from fastest to slowest of the relative rates in acid reaction of methyl bromide, tertiary butyl bromide, isopropyl bromide and ethyl? Answer is A. Methyl bromide greater than, ethyl bromide greater than, isopropyl bromide greater than, tertiary butyl bromide. This is the fastest to slowest relative rates acid reaction. 51. Select the correct set of anti-cancer drugs that belongs to pyrimidine and related compound. The correct answer is A. 5-fluorouracil, Tegafur, decitabine and 5-azacitidine. 52. E2 elimination converts neomethyl chloride into a mixture of the following compounds. A 3 methane 78%, 2 methane 22%. B 4 methane 75%, 2 methane 25%. 3 methane 25%, 5 methane 75%. D 1 methane 50%, 3 methane 50%. The correct answer is 3 methane 78% and 2 methane 22%. 53 ethyl 2 para chlorophenoxy 2 methyl propionate is IUPAC name of A phenofibrate, B cholesterol, C clofibrate and choline C clofibrate is the correct answer. 54 identify the vibrational mode shown by sulfur dioxide molecule in IR spectroscopy. A symmetric structuring and asymmetric structuring. B symmetric structure and scissoring, asymmetric structure and scissoring. D symmetric structuring, asymmetric structuring and scissoring. The correct answer is A symmetric structuring and asymmetric structuring. Symmetric structuring is left side and asymmetric structuring is the center side and bending is the right side. 55 select the product A of the above reaction from the four choices given below. D is the product of above reaction. 56 the perfect orientation for a dialsada reaction between the reactants is option A. Diene should be excision reaction endophase is the correct answer. 57 how would you prepare 2000 ml of 0.15 molar NaOH aqueous solution? The correct answer is A. Dissolve 12 gram of NaOH in distilled water and dilute to 2000 ml. 58 identify what is not a continuum source of radiation for use in absorption and fluorescent spectrophotometers. A. Argon arc lamp, B. Hollow cathode lamp, C. Deuterium lamp and D. Xenon arc lamp. The correct answer is D. Xenon arc lamp. 59 the molecular formula of purine is C5H4N4, C6H5N3, C7H6N2 and C4H3N5. The correct answer is C5H4N4. 60 Lucas test is very rapid with primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol and phenol. C. Tertiary alcohol is the correct answer. 61 given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other is labeled as reason. Assertion A. The disadvantages of atomic absorption spectroscopy is need for each element to be analyzed. Reason are as atomic absorption spectrophotometer uses different halo cathode lamp for each element under test. In light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option A both A are true and R is correct explanation of A. B both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C A is true but R is false. D A is false but R is true. The correct answer is both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Assertion. 16 contest to voltammetry. Each of the following statement is false. A technique can be used to analyze organic compounds containing carbonyl groups. B organic solvents cannot be used as aqueous organic mixture in this technique. C immunosensors are available in voltammetry. D triangular waveform is used for excitation of solution in cyclic voltammetry. A technique can be used to analyze organic compounds containing carbonyl group is the correct answer. 63. Choose the correct order of decreasing dielectric constant. The correct answer is D. Formate greater than, water greater than, methanol greater than acetone. Thank you for watching.